The government will reduce GCT on electricity from 15%, which it is now, to 7%.
I know that ain't who I think it is.
I would like to make promise. I make commitment. And under the Labour Party government, we are going to ensure that we bring to this country the big power plant that can put the money in here to build the plants to give you cheaper and better electricity.
I'm getting a little tired of your broken promise.
Jamaica's energy cost is one of the highest now in the world, coming from 23 US cents per kilowatt hour in 2016 when we left office to at times way over 40 cents per kilowatt hour.
Within our first 100 days of government, we will start the legislative process to fix the date for general elections in Jamaica.
The incumbent party cannot be running an election off a promise.